Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today our delicious meal will be for breakfast. Today we're making pancakes, and my family loves pancakes. My husband loves pancakes. He'd have them every day if possible. But we have keto-friendly pancakes, and I like these ones because they're light and fluffy and just so tasty, and they have a little hint of sweetness in it. So I'm going to show you how to make these, so let's get started. Alright, so first, what you're going to do in a microwave safe bowl is put 2.5 cups of butter and 2 ounces of cream cheese, or 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. We're going to put them in the microwave, and we're going to get them nice and melted for about 20 to 30 seconds. So let's do that first. This recipe is really easy, guys. It's pretty fast. Watch. So, I like pancakes plain, nothing in them, no fancy blueberries, strawberries, all that stuff. That's just me. My husband, he likes blueberry pancakes, he likes plain pancakes, he likes whatever pancakes there is, just flavor, okay? But me, I like them plain. So tell me, guys, what's your favorite flavor with pancakes? Tell me what's your favorite syrup, because I'm going to show you mine in a second. Watch. So, boom. Take that out. So we put it for like 20 to 30 seconds because you don't want it too hot, because you're going to incorporate eggs in here. So you're going to give this a nice stir. Splashing stuff all over. Get that well incorporated. Plus it'll cool it down some when you stir it before you put the eggs in. Alright, that looks about right. That looks about right. Oops. Alright, so what you're going to do next is we have a 1/4 cup of sour cream. That's what gives it that delicious taste. 2 eggs, large. And in here I have a cup and 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt I put in there. And I just stirred it all to get it all incorporated. And by the way, guys, if I ever forget an ingredient, you can look in the link below, click the link in the comments below, and go on over to our website and you can find the recipe printed out, okay? Now, and that's what's in that bowl right there. Oh yeah, and a tablespoon of erythritol sweetener, because we want, or monk fruit sweetener, because we want to give it a little bit of sweetness in that pancake. So we got all the cream cheese mixed up and the butter mixed up. We're going to incorporate our sour cream, and that's a 1/4 cup sour cream. We love these pancakes. Okay. I like to do steps because you want to get this right now. You're trying to get it cooled down some before you add the egg, or unless you have a scrambled egg in there. All right. Put that over. We're going to add our 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. There you go. Get that nice and whipped. So at this point, you can add like vanilla extract if you want. Sometimes I'll add like different extracts just to give it a different flavor profile. So like we have strawberry extract, blueberry extract. If you're going to toss in some, extract, you can also incorporate like dry blueberry, because blueberries and strawberries and also blackberries they have a lower glycemic count, so that if you're on keto, it won't affect your blood sugar. So I do that, or you can just put some vanilla in it and it tastes just the same. We have extracts like from it's a company called One-on-One Flavoring, and they have some amazing extracts. This one is a graham cracker. We have cake batter. They have all types of flavors that'll blow your mind. But I really love this company so far. I'm loving it. There's something new that I got into lately with their extracts to kind of bump up the flavor of all of our recipes. So yeah, just a little side note, just in case you guys want to add something different to your recipes. So in here, we're going to pour in our flour, baking powder, erythritol mix right here. I had already mixed it ahead of time. Put that in there. Okay. Get that all well incorporated. I'm just going to do plain ones today though. Yeah. Alright. Whoops. I'm mixing so fast, I'm dropping the whisk. Alright, guys. I usually let the mix sit for a second and let it set up. So we're gonna let that sit for, give it about a minute or two so that it kind of slightly thickens up. And we're gonna put the ion to about low medium. I'm making a mess, which that's what we do in the kitchen. Anyway, we're gonna put the ion to about low medium. So, because the little trick about these pancakes, let me do this. Oops. The thing about these pancakes, guys, they kind of are, they're slightly loose, so it's kind of a trick to flipping them. And the trick to get them flipped properly before they brown too much on the other side is you have to put them on like a low medium setting. Put the pancake batter on and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes so that it kind of solidifies at the bottom and you'll be able to get a good like tuck under there and flip, okay? So that's why, and that's what makes them light and fluffy. So you'll see, it's gonna come out delicious. So I'll get right back with you. We're gonna let this sit for about 2 minutes and then we will put our pancakes on the grill, all right? Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes and the batter's sat. It's thickened up a little bit. So what we're gonna do is kind of butter our pan a little bit. I like to put a little extra butter so it doesn't stick and it kind of gives it a better brown. And if you don't have a griddle, it's okay. You could just simply use a frying pan, you know, to make your pancakes. So I like to make about, I think you get about 6 out of this. And you know, guys, what do I love the most? My ice cream scoop, because it's so handy and it gives nice even portion sizes for just about everything, and it just helps you easily distribute like the ingredients. So just go ahead and make yourself about 6 even scoops. And with this pancake batter, it spreads really nicely. I have it on like low medium, and with this stove though, it's so funny because sometimes I'll be making pancakes, right? And then all of a sudden they go, woo, because the stove is kind of slightly uneven. So it just makes my pancakes go sliding and running. But that's okay. It's doing pretty good today, so maybe because you guys are watching, that's probably why. So it's doing okay. So you make your little mound. See, that used about all of the pancake batter. See, and then you don't even have to do anything because it spreads itself. Let me set this over here. We're gonna let it kind of like set itself up, and then it'll get like nice and brown at the bottom. That's why I say nice and slow and easy cooking right here. But the batter was pretty quick, as you see, and you'll see it's gonna be really tasty. So we're gonna let these kind of cook up. You'll see a few bubbles, and not exactly when you see the bubbles is when it's done. It's when you kind of see it like a little bit drying around the edges, guys. Kind of like, you know, normal pancakes. So pretty much that's what you look for, right? So we're gonna let that happen and we'll just wait it out. 2 more minutes. Okay guys, so it's about 2 minutes. I got my spatula. What I would recommend though, because sometimes when you flip them, some of the batter will stick to your spatula. So I always have like a little paper towel handy, a little damp paper towel, so I can quick fast wipe it off and keep going. So that's a tip for the day that you guys can use, because it just happens all the time. And sometimes you get a weird looking flip and sometimes you get perfect flips. So we're gonna go in and try it, okay guys? Let's see if it's ready. Fingers crossed, guys. Oh, you know, that one looked kind of good. Let's see if it's done. That one needs to cook a little more. And I have this kind of a wonky eye too, guys, where, you know, the center ones will get done. See? Kind of gotta get in there. Be aggressive and get in there. Flip those pancakes. Okay, let's see. How about this one? That one needs a little more cooking. I'm going to turn it up a little more. And like I said, my eye is kind of weirdly uneven, so I'm going to move that over some and turn that up a little bit more. In all fairness, I did just get this stove about 2 to 3 weeks ago. My hubby had installed it. So those ones need to keep going for a little bit. And the thing is with this griddle, the center, since the eyes are on the outer portion, the center takes so long to get things cooked. So, you know, frying pan is ideal, but you know what? We're just gonna figure it out. So let's turn that up a little more. Come on, baby, cook. But initially you want it to start on low because you want to make sure that they kind of get solidified, you know, and take its time to get cooked. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's starting to bubble. I just don't want no burnt pancakes, I'm just saying. Okay, these ones on the end are getting there too. I'm gonna turn that one in the back up. It's all this adjusting, but it's because I wasn't thinking, and I'm supposed to use that eye. It has two big burners. I forget this is a new stove, like I said, and that back one is tiny, little burner. But you work with what you have. Let's see. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Let's see. Oh, that one's ready. Woo! Yeah, turning it up, guys. Woo! Woo! Oh, almost lost that one. But I did it. you gotta cheer yourself on, I'm just saying. So yeah, then wipe that off with your damp paper towel, and they're getting nice and brown. Look how pretty. Ooh la la. I don't want it up too high though. Ooh, it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm happy. And it's gonna taste so good. All right, guys. Almost there. Gotta keep making adjustments. Be careful though. Don't do like me, everything I do on here. Like, so you wanna be careful. But it's just this wonky eye I have, which is smaller. That one's almost done. Let's see. That one's almost browned up. Ooh. Okay. That one's done. For sure. And you see that smoke, guys? That one's done for sure. Ooh la la. Well, that looks good. Okay. So I think I'm gonna move these down here. Yeah. I'm gonna turn that off and let those cook up. Kind of smoky. Almost done. They look so pretty. Ooh, I'm excited. All right. And see, I like to make like at least 2 batches of these, guys, so that I can actually like get some parchment paper and separate them out with the pieces of parchment paper and put them inside of a Ziploc baggie. So then you don't have to like be making these every day. All you have to do is go in the fridge, pop one out, and you're good to go. Okay, so we got them all off. The eye is off. I'm excited. Put that one there, because you know I like to set up stuff pretty. Look at those pancakes. Nice and golden. So we're gonna give one a try. Let's see. I'm excited about it. Put that right there. Move this about the way. So guys, what I'm going to do is show you 2 of my favorite pancake syrup companies. This is the Canto. See, it's almost gone, right? Jimmy's absolute favorite pancake syrup. It's maple, and it's kind of like thin like maple, real maple syrup, and it tastes just like it. It's super delicious, okay? And it's made with monk fruit sweetener. That's one that we like, and it's low glycemic, so it won't affect your keto journey, and it won't affect your blood sugar level. And here's another sugar-free one I like a lot, which is the Honest syrups made by Chalk Zero. So delicious. This one is a maple vanilla syrup flavor, but they also make chocolate and peppermint. They make all kinds of different flavors. So delicious, guys. This one is pretty thick, see? So it all depends on your preference, but they really are delicious, okay? I think I'm gonna go in and try the lamb canto today because I want to make it taste more authentic-y like. So let me try. I think I want that one. Okay, this one. I got a little bit of butter set on the side. You know, I'm always ready when this comes down to food. Let's get a little bit of syrup on there. I'm gonna show you. See, this one's more like thinner, like real maple syrup. Look at that. See that? It's good though too. Let's give these a try. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Man, this is really good. Okay, guys. One bite. I'm sorry, it's so good. Look at that fluffiness. The texture is perfect. It's soft, it's fluffy. It's just delicious. So guys, if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and ring the bell if you want to get more notifications when I upload new videos. And definitely guys, subscribe, be a part of Faithful Keto Kitchen family. I love you guys. You support me so much and I really appreciate you. So we will see you next time on the next episode of Faithful Keto Kitchen. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.